Welcome to Melanated Plant Life. In this video, I'm making sweet Korean lentils over soba noodles. Prior to the start of the video, I just sauteed some onions and mixed soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger. And right now I'm putting in the lentils with the onions that I've sauteed and adding the soy sauce, sesame, ginger mixture. And letting that cover it and let it simmer. I think I let it simmer about 10-15 minutes, and then those are just buckwheat soba noodles I'll be adding with it. I'm just filling up a pot with some water for the noodles. They only take 3 minutes to cook after the water's been boiling, so they're very quick to cook. Now I'm adding the soba noodles. I feel like they're packaged so cute. Come in individual little wrappers. Okay, and I'm just stirring the lentils some more while it simmers. It smells so good. I was like, oh. Now the noodles are done. Make sure you only cook them about 3 minutes because they will overcook and get sticky. And as you see, I have to scrape a couple of them off because it did stick to the pan. Okay, and right here I'm just checking on the lentils again, turn the heat down a little bit. You want most of the liquid to be absorbed, but not all of it, because you want a little bit of, I guess, gravy to go along with it. Okay, and I think I let too much water absorb, and they were kind of dry, and so next time I know to not cook them as long. Yep, so those are done. I'm just getting out my sesame seed oil, my sesame seeds and my plates, and I've already cut up a couple of green onions to put on top. So I'm just getting my utensils to scoop out the noodles and getting the baby's plate ready, and then my plate ready, and then top it with some lentils. Had to put her down because it was kind of hard to fix a plate with one hand, especially since the noodles were kind of sticky. So I put a couple of lentils on her plate. I didn't put any sesame seeds or green onions on hers, but yeah. And here I'm fixing my plate with the noodles and then the lentils. Guess I need some extra noodles. Adding the lentils to my plate and adding the green onions and then the sesame seeds. Okay, and that's it. Let's get a close-up of how it looked. It looks so delicious and smelled so. That is good. I think it would taste good with some sticky rice. That's good. How is it, baby? Good? Oh yeah, one more thing. Called for red lentils. I didn't have red lentils, so I used regular lentils. Still came out good. Okay. All right. You good? That's your happy dance? You good? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.